Hi guys, welcome to my channel soulfulshireen. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a fashion log figure. So this was the figure I had taught you last time. It's basically a 12.5-inch croquis with 10 heads. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw a figure with 8 heads. So to draw a figure with 8 heads, you can easily use an A4 size paper. So this here is an A4 size paper. It has a length of almost 11.5 inches and a width of almost 8.5 inches. So guys, we are just creating an 8-head figure, which means it is actually a 10-inch fashion croquis, guys. So I'm using a little dark pencil today because I think it should be nicely visible. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to make a 10-inch vertical line, and then I'm going to divide it into equal parts, 8 equal parts basically. So this is part number 1, which would be 1 inch and 4 blocks, like I had taught you in the ten-head croquis. So yes guys, so I have drawn a vertical line and I have divided it into 8 equal parts. So I'll just make some lines here so you can see that it has been equally divided. So now I will just make 8 heads on the leftmost side. I'm gonna number it.
Now I will take the horizontal measurements.
I will, on the first horizontal line, I'm gonna take 6 blocks. So this is 6 blocks here and 6 blocks on this side, and again 6 blocks on both the right and the left sides. And I will just join the edges. Now I'm going to take 4 blocks from this horizontal line, 1, 2, 3, and 4, or 1/4 of an inch, and I'm going to take 2 blocks on both the right and the left sides, and similarly on both the sides here. I'm going to just join it from the first horizontal line, I'm going to take half an inch down, and I'm going to take half an inch and 4 blocks on the right and the left sides. Half an inch and 4 blocks. Okay, then I'm going to take, this is the shoulder line. Okay, then from the shoulder line to the chest line, okay, I'm going to take half an inch and 4 blocks, 1 2 3 and 4. It's basically on the second horizontal line. It falls on the second horizontal line. The horizontal measurement will be half an inch and 1 block right here. Half an inch and 1 block. Okay, then I am going to take from the, this is chest line, this is the chest line here. So from the bust line or the chest line, I'm going to go downwards and almost 1 inch. This would be the waistline, and I'm going to take 6 blocks on both the right and the left sides. Then from this, just wait a second guys, I'm going to sharpen it. Okay, so this is the waistline. Then from the waistline I'm going to go down almost 1 inch, and I am going to take half an inch and 1 2 3 4 4 blocks, half an inch and 4 blocks on both the right and the left sides. Okay, then I'm going to take, this will be the hip line, so I'm going to take 2 inches from the hip line and 4 blocks, 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Then I'm going to take almost half an inch downwards and half an inch on both the right and the left sides. To make the feet, I will take 1 inch from the last horizontal line upwards, and then I will take almost 2 blocks on both the sides and almost 1 inch on the last horizontal line on both the right and the left sides. Now guys, I'm just going to join the edges.
So guys, now I'm going to draw the upper and the lower arm and the hand.
So the upper arm would be 1 inch and almost 4 blocks, and the lower arm will be 1.5 inches. And this part here, almost 4 blocks, will be the hand. Okay, so again I'm going to go and make 1 inch, 4 blocks, and a half inch,
So I'm going to start labeling the figure. We will start with the vertical measurements.
So guys, let's start from the head. So guys, this is the head, and the measurement of the head is 1 inch and 4 blocks. The measurement of the neck, this part is the neck, and the measurement is, the vertical measurement is 4 blocks. This is the measurement from the head to the shoulder line, which is half an inch. This is the measurement from the shoulder line to the bust line, which is 1 inch and 4 blocks. This measurement right here is the measurement from the bust line to the waistline, which is just 1 inch, sorry. And the measurement from the waistline to the hip line is 1 inch as well. The measurement from the hip line to the knee line is 2 inches. The measurement from the knee line to the calf line, the measurement from the knee line to the calves is just half an inch. And the measurement of the feet, as you can see, is 1 inch, right? So these are where the vertical measurements. Now guys, I'm going to show you the measurements which are inside of the croquis, the horizontal measurements to be precise. So the measurements inside the head, it's 6 blocks, right, on both the right and the left sides. Again, it's 6 blocks on both the right and the left sides. Then the measurement of the neckline is 2 blocks on both the sides. The measurement of the shoulder line is half an inch and 4 blocks. On both the right and the left sides. The measurement of the chest line or the bust line is half an inch and 1 block on both the right and the left sides. The measurement of the waistline is 6 blocks on both the sides. Then the measurement of the hip line is half an inch and 4 blocks, half an inch and 4 blocks. The measurement of the knees is 4 blocks each. The measurement of the calf is half an inch on both the sides, and the measurement of the ankle is 2 blocks, and the toes measurement is half an inch on both the toes. The measurement on the arms is, on the upper arm, the measurement is 1 inch and 4 blocks, and on the lower arm the measurement is 1 inch, sorry, 1.5 inches.
And the last section here is the hand, which is only 4 blocks. So this is how you can draw an 8 head block figure, which you can use for fleshing out teen and tween croquis. Guys, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also do subscribe to my channel for more videos on fashion, illustration and drawing. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye and take care.